LUXORliving Smart Start. LUXORliving now also by radio. LUXORliving, the mother of all smart home systems. Easy to install, easy to program, and above all, easy to use. Regulate heating, control blinds, dim lights, all via app from anywhere. Traveling has never been safer, coming home has never been more comfortable, and being at home has never been cozier. That's really cool. Or hot. Just the way everyone wants it. Once you get used to it, you will never want to do without LUXORliving again. Not even when life circumstances change. For example, if a new phase of life also involves a move. When you move into a new apartment, or renovating an old building, or both. But who wants to cut open walls to lay cables? In one room, in two rooms, on all floors, in all apartments? Probably no one. It's also expensive, can be really expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Because if you're on the ball now, you can save yourself the trouble of wiring with LUXORliving Smart Start. LUXORliving Smart Start works by radio. And it's so simple and safe that even the smallest hut can be transformed into a cozy smart home. And this is how it works. Simply place flush-mounted actuators in existing switch boxes for the heating, for the lighting, for the blinds, in the rooms of the apartment. And then simply install the IP-RF system center. How? Well, just like we say, it's easy to install. Load the programming, and all actuators can be controlled wirelessly. This can also be done using a button from the system center by remote control or by voice. For example, voice assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and many more. And of course, you can also do this via app using your smartphone, because LUXORliving Smart Start is the radio-based complete solution for the smart home with all the functions you really need today and in the future. Dimming, switching, drives, scenes, groups, with panic function and time control. And of course, central off. Then everything is off when you are out of the house. LUXORliving Smart Start offers you a total of 30 functions. Without KNX cable, without a control center and power supply in the consumer unit, without media coupler, and above all, without ETS. Getting started with a smart home can be so easy and future-proof, and so affordable. So if you want to retrofit your apartment or your own home, your old building or existing building, offices or medical practices or whatever without a great deal of effort, LUXORliving Smart Start is the smart way to go. And safe to boot, because with the open standard KNX-RF, this doesn't only work overnight, but also the day after tomorrow, and the day after that, in the future, almost as good as forever. And well protected thanks to encrypted communication with KNX Data Secure. Nobody gets in who's not supposed to get in. So when are you going to upgrade?